Hello to this video. I am Murian-Coush Addem, doctor at the Faculty of Technological Enterprising, and today we will track prices in the Amazon using some Chrome extension. And you might be wondering how you get some information about the prices on the Amazon. So you can use this extension here. It's the Keepa extension used for Google Chrome, and you might want to add it to your Chrome or to your other Chromium usage. So you can use the Chrome Web Store for this. For example, here you see the 5 million users that are making advantage of the nice price graph, and we are just now at to Chrome. And the keeper is ready, as you can see here. So I think you have to open the Amazon and then afterwards click the continue shopping button to fucking website. And now you have to, I think, just look for some products. Product one, you see underpants, and then you can search for some products. Well, yeah. And the thing now is that we want to use click on just one project, and then you can try to go to the bottom, and you will see this nice graph. So excuse me for the sounds in the background. So this graph is showing you now all the historical development of the price. So you can see here, for example, in the September one, you were falling to $19 from the $24. So this is some kind of nice price movement, and at the moment is very low. So you should maybe consider about buying because this is real. So sometimes it's shown that you have slightly maybe 50% discount, but it's not real. So yes. So if you want to try more about that, then just follow my channel, and I will time to time post about some new technical enterprising and so on. So keep updated, and goodbye. Thank you.